Hi all, welcome back to the show. Um, Today I want to share with you a project on which I want to work, and since a couple of weeks it's pretty messy for me, and I have to travel a lot, so I was not able to make some videos, so sorry for that. Uh, and But it was pretty good, cool things. I had to travel for the works, a lot of works. I work on a new machine, but I cannot share information because the customer doesn't want to share information. But anyway, I was pretty busy and was not able to some video, so want to correct that and apologize for not making such a video. Here in the shop, there's quite a new things. Uh, I have my milling motor that was burned, so I'm waiting for a new one, and I have to change it. So I work on a small project, waiting ready for it, and I will show you how to make some milling operation. So let's say some very basic milling operation on a lathe, so it can be a backup when you want only make some small milling operation, and it could be a good help. And a lathe is able to do the job in a good way. So I will show the setup, how does it work, and also I made some maintenance on my lathe because I had a concern, with the bearing on the headstock since a while, and I did make some checking. I was make some greasing operation, but what I discovered, there is holes close to the bearing, but the holes was not getting deep enough and was not getting to the bearing. So I guess it was a mistake during the milling operation. But anyway, I changed the bearing. I do in the same time a proper hole depth, and also I bought a greasing machine, and I don't know if you know those. Let me show you those type of things. So it's a grease gun, and you have some hair attached, to the back of the machine, and it works very nice. And you can put the great quantity of lube and grease where you want. I have also to make an adapter here at the end, so to a greasing operation. And what I did also, I can show you. I make a small, very small tip to get inside the bearing here, so it helps the greasing operation. And when you have some, ball grease, I will show you on the lathe. I put those joint on it, and just put a pressure on the surface where we have the ball greasing, and then use the gun like that. So I only pay 27 bucks for this stuff. So I think that's it's not a big deal to work with. It's a pretty nice tool, and it's a thing that I would have bought sooner. So I will turn the camera. I need to wash my hands also because I'm very greasy today, and I will share with you how I can make some milling operation on a lathe. So stay tuned.